Okay, guys, this is going to be the topic for our class of today. We're going to do a workshop of algebraic identities, as may you know in Spanish as productos notables, okay? You're going to solve the following algebraic identities. We have this one and this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. We're going to work the 6 exercises. I know our workshops are usually of only 5 points, but for this case, as you can see here, I have an example of each case. This is positive at 2, this is negative at 2, positive at 3, negative at 3, and this one and this one. These two, the two we are going to begin, this one are the only we didn't make any examples we did, but you didn't make any exercises in our last class. So this is the reason they are in the beginning, okay? Because these two, you are going to get a lot of doubts of how to solve it. But don't worry, they are the most, these ones, in especially this, the second one is the most easiest of them all, okay? So you don't have to worry about it. And good luck. Thank you so much for your attention and good luck because you're going to need it.